Welcome to the Oxygen Alliance YouTube channel, where we bring you videos on installation, maintenance, and various trainings on oxygen equipment and devices. If you have comments and or questions, drop them in the comment section below or write to us info@oxygenalliance.org. Remember to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.
Hello and welcome. My name is Ephraim Mandal, a biomedical engineer with the Oxygen Alliance. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step disassembly of a nebulizer pump and the components that can be replaced during servicing to ensure effective performance. As mentioned in our previous video, a malfunctioning pump can cause no missed production. The link to the video is in the description below. Today, I'll be working with Pulmo Aide LOT 3650 series nebulizer pump. To successfully disassemble and service the pump, we're going to use 1x4 hex bit, Torx driver, T20 Torx key, a clean cloth, distilled water, and we also need a multimeter to test the motor windings. The nebulizer is held in place by 5 Torx screws. I'm going to use T20 Torx key to loosen the screws holding the covers. This is the nebulizer pump assembly. It has the fan which is attached to the rotor. Over here you have the motor which drives the pump. And these are the motor windings. Here we have the piston which is attached to the diaphragm. The whole of this pump assembly, it is held in place by this metal bracket. Now I'll disconnect the inlet and outlet tubings. I'll also disconnect the cable from the switch. In order to remove the pump, smoothly pry up the metal bracket using the flathead screwdriver. This black component attached to the motor winding is the thermal switch. It cuts off power if the temperature of the motor rises above 150 degrees Celsius. It will automatically reset after cooling. If you turn the pump upside down, you see that there are 3 Torx screws. Let's move on to the servicing process. I'll begin by disassembling the diaphragm. The diaphragm is secured by 4 Torx screws. To remove the gasket, loosen this Torx screw using a T15 Torx key. After doing this, inspect any physical damages on the gasket. If it is worn out, please replace with a new one. Remember to clean this area using distilled water and a clean cloth before replacing it. Next, you have to look at the diaphragm. If you remove the metallic plate, you can see the flapper valve. This valve ensures that the air flows to the diaphragm during the intake stroke and out to the nebulizer cap during the compression stroke. If the flapper valve becomes damaged or blocked, you may notice reduced or no mist, hissing sound, or irregular airflow. A common issue is a white residue or a mineral buildup on the valve. To maintain a proper performance, clean the flapper valve using distilled water and a clean cloth. Remember to clean the valve area as well. If you notice any physical damages on the valve, you should replace it with a new one. To check the motor windings, use a multimeter to measure the resistance. An infinite resistance means that there is an open circuit where the windings are broken or disconnected. And a zero resistance means there is a short circuit within the windings. When this happens, you need to repair or replace the motor. Now, I'll test the motor windings. To do this, I'll connect the multimeter probes to the motor terminals. In this case, we have 4.4 ohms. That's all on the servicing of the nebulizer pump. That's all I have for you today, and I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next videos. Bye!